Hello friends, welcome to Technoboost. In this video, we will see how to use mouse for rotate, pan and zoom in, zoom out. And we will also see different mouse settings and other shortcuts for zoom in, zoom out, pan and rotate. All the dynamic viewing functions will be discussed in this video. Let's start. This is a sheet metal component. Let's see how to use mouse buttons. The left mouse button is used for most operations such as selecting menus or picking graphic entities. Right mouse button is used to bring up additional available options. The software also utilizes right mouse button the same as the enter key and is often used to accept the default setting to prompt or to end a process. The middle mouse button or wheel can be used to pan or zoom. For pan or move the component, hold down the wheel button and drag the mouse. For zoom, rotate the wheel. These are the default settings in Inventor. If you want to change the settings for mouse, go to File, Options, then Display. If you want to reverse the direction of wheel, you can tick here. For middle mouse button, it's for pan. If you press Ctrl plus middle mouse button, it will also be pan, and Shift plus middle mouse button, it will be for rotate. You can change here as per your requirement. You want to rotate the component, press Shift, then mouse button and rotate. This is a home. This is a view cube. We can also use the function keys on keyboard and the mouse to access the dynamic viewing functions. To move the component, hold F2 key and drag with left mouse button, or press middle mouse button and drag it. For zoom in and zoom out, scroll mouse wheel button or press F3, left mouse key and move up or down. To rotate the component, press Shift, then middle mouse button and rotate it. You can also do by using function keys. Press F4 and left mouse button. This is a view cube. This is a full navigation wheel. For moving the component. This is for zoom all. Click on drop down menu. You can see zoom, zoom all, zoom window, zoom selected. Zoom all adjusts the view so that all items on the screen fit inside the graphics window. You can see. Zoom window uses the cursor to define a region for the view. The defined region is zoomed to fill the graphics window. zoom, go up or down by pressing left mouse key. Press escape to cancel the command. Zoom selected. Select any component, it will be zoom. It will be very useful in assembly. This is orbit. To rotate the component, by pressing the left mouse key, press escape to cancel the command. This is look at. It will make normal to the screen. View cube. View cube is a 3D navigation tool that appears by default when you enter Inventor. The view cube is a clickable interface which allows you to switch between standard and isometric view. You can see this is a front view. You can rotate it. Click on pointer and it will be right view, back view, top view. If you go to home view, then click here. If you want to change the home view, select your preferred view, then right click, then set current view as home and fit to view. You can see. Okay. Now is changed. This is the full navigation wheel. You can activate by clicking here or here. You can see zoom, orbit, pan, rewind, center, walk, up and down, and look. Zoom is for adjust a magnification view. Now see. Press the left mouse key and up and down. Press escape. Centers the view based on position. You can see, suppose I put it here and then click on center. Okay, I put it here and then center. Okay. Rewind restores the previous view. Suppose I make it top view and then click on rewind. It will come to previous view. We already seen this pan, orbit and rewind. For using full navigation wheel, you must have to go on a part, then click it, zoom, orbit, to cancel the command you have to release the left mouse key, then click again left key. For a home view you can also press F6. Okay, practice it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like it, subscribe and share it.